Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Avengers paper craft. Start by gathering your materials. You'll need some paper, a good pair of scissors, and reliable glue. Next, find and print out free templates of your favorite Avengers characters. Make sure you have coloring supplies like markers or crayons ready to bring your heroes to life. This simple preparation ensures a smooth crafting experience for everyone. Now, let's move on to cutting and folding. Carefully cut along the solid lines of your printed templates. Take your time to ensure clean edges. Next, pay close attention to any dotted lines. These indicate where you'll need to fold. Precise folding is key to creating the three-dimensional shapes of your Avengers characters. With your pieces cut and folded, it's time to assemble your heroes. Apply a small amount of glue to the designated tabs on your paper craft. Remember, a little glue goes a long way. Press the glued tabs firmly to secure the paper pieces together. Allow each assembled part to dry completely for about 5 to 10 minutes before continuing to ensure a strong bond. Finally, let's add some finishing touches and display your creations. Feel free to add personalized details and colors to make your Avengers truly unique. You might even consider using additional embellishments like glitter or stickers for extra flair. Once complete, proudly display your amazing Avengers paper crafts in your room or give them as gifts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.